Hello and welcome to Team Project Dynamic Dominica. My name is Natasha Melbourne Telfer and I am the founder and creative director of Creative Core Caribbean. We specialise in objective-led strategies for small businesses, FDI and exploitation, primarily for the Caribbean region. And we translate that insight from our research into film marketing material. So here I'd like to introduce the other key members of my team, and I will introduce ladies first, Maria.
Hi, I'm Maria Mustafa, and I am a business strategist and project manager, and I work with architectural and engineering companies, both globally and within the space industry, and I help them develop their strategic plan, both long-term and short-term.
Thank you, Maria. And who would like to go next? Mr. JC?
Hello, everybody. I'm JC, and I'm a horticultural engineer working in controlled environment agriculture. So I work in greenhouse and vertical farming projects to look at creative solutions to minimize resource usage and basically create more sustainability and food security in places like the Caribbean, where that is a particular challenge.
Good afternoon. My name is Seth Andre. I'm a quantity surveyor and construction contracts manager. I've been located in Barbados for 17 years now, primarily working on luxury residential and hotels, and also on some agricultural projects in St. Vincent and Dominica. We also do a little bit of work on renewable energy.
So because we're a global company, Creative Core Caribbean, we work with specialised contractors because of their specific skill set for the scope of the project ahead.
Yeah. So just following on from what Natasha's saying, so depending on the needs of the projects and depending on the needs of Dominica, we will bring in the different consultants and their expertise when it's needed. Not just for the implementation, but also for the strategy. So we make sure that they are they're there throughout the project, and we can make sure that we take full advantage of their expertise.
Yes. And JC, you've got something really interesting, because part of our the vision of Creative Core Caribbean is to align with hearts and minds of the people that we work with, the people that we serve. But just to pass it to you about implementation, because that is where your skill set lies, and with Seth. What's in implementation?
So the idea is to implement site-specific solutions tailored to Dominica that take advantage of the available resources and tackle the challenges that are unique to this island. And in so doing, basically use energy very efficiently, conserve water, create job opportunities, and make sure that environmental and agricultural obstacles are overcome.
And I believe with the agriculture, it's aligned with construction and renewable energy, which is one of the main cores of the project. Seth, what's your take on that?
I just think it's really worthwhile mentioning about the disaster management and power issues and resource issues they had after the storm. And if hotels and the like actually have energy at source, it basically gives you a bit more independence in those situations. Not sure how much we could expand on that, but obviously it's electrical and water are the two main resources that we'd have to think about.
So off-grid power production, rain catchment, Category 5 hurricane-rated structures, and everything is on your side. Yeah.
Exactly.
And I guess it would be also specific to the environment of Dominica, because I believe it is quite a unique landscape. So everything has to work. It's got to be tailored specific. Not only the lead generation, how we communicate with people who may want to invest, but also it has to align with the needs of the environment and the people and their vision for the country as well.
Yeah, a lot of developers will try to tell people in places like this what they need without the fact-finding first, without a local presence and insight from people who have actually experienced the climate and the market and the challenges. And so that's not the approach we want to take, of course. We want to get in depth and get to know our subject matter.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, tailor things to that specific location.
Excellent.
Yeah, we're really excited to work on these projects with the Invest Dominica Authority.